everyone, it's Stacy. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to head outside and do a little summer porch refresh, some planters, and put some toss pillows out and decorate a plant stand that I have. So stay tuned and we'll see what we can get done today. Stay tuned, folks. We have an exclusive offer on a mini vacuum at the halfway mark of this video. So firstly, I'm going to start by cleaning off the porch table. I have my microfiber cloths and just actually soap and water, and I'm just giving a good wipe to them. And I'm going to just put my first item back on the table for the season. It's just a tray that I have with blue, yellow, and white colors. I seem to like to decorate with the blue, yellows, and whites and that kind of thing. So, and I have my lamp here. My lantern, sorry, and I'm just going to put that on the middle of the tray. And I'm cleaning off this leaf. It's a metal leaf, and I ended up thrifting this last summer, so I'm going to use it again this summer on my table. And I put out this bird cage with a candle in the middle and some greenery and some flowers inside. So I'm just giving a quick wipe to the window ledge so I can put my flower arrangement up there. It's amazing to me how dirty everything gets. You go put it away and it's pretty clean, but yet you get it out of the totes for the first time for the season, for the summer, and everything needs another wipe down. It's amazing like how dirty everything gets, especially when it's outside, right? So even though you think it's clean, you look closer and it's really actually needing a good wipe. I'm just going to wipe down my watering can. I filled the watering can with rocks. It's just a thing that I do if there's any items that are light items, and where I live we get a lot of wind, so I find if I put like rocks and things like that in the bird houses, in the watering cans, any flower arrangements I have for outside, I put rock in the bottom. That is just a little tip that I can give you. Maybe I don't know if you do the same, but I find it works for me, and it keeps everything from blowing away every time we have a little bit of wind. And a lot of these items that I'm putting outside are actually not very expensive at all. Like most of them are dollar store items. The bird houses are from the dollar store. The item you see in my hand right now is actually I made, and it's just a dollar store pot with some dollar store succulent flowers. I just put all this stuff out here just to give it some color and just to spruce up the porch for summer. I really, really like having all kinds of decorations around just to brighten it up a bit. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and put my toss cushions out on the conversation set that's on the porch. I have some blue, navy blue, a little bit of a light green. Hey guys, today I have this mini powerful vacuum cleaner made by iHOM. I'm going to use this vacuum cleaner to vacuum and clean up my conversation set. So what I want to tell you about this vacuum, this cordless vacuum takes 2.5 hours to fully charge. It uses a Type-C charging cord that comes with it. It has two settings, low and high. You can also take the cup and the filter off and wash it with soap and water, which is nice. Guys, I was pleasantly surprised the strength and suction power that this vacuum actually had. It's also well made and quite durable and very good construction. I recommend, guys, if you don't have this vacuum, you should go to the link below and use the discount code provided. We provided it to my subscribers, and consider ordering it. I noticed that it does a really, really good job and quick to clean up this conversation set. And you know what? I've never had anything else that I've been able to use that works as well to get into all the little crevices. And what I like about it is just it's lightweight and it's very convenient just to bring outside. And you can use it for your car. You can use it for many things inside the house, outside, and that's what I like about it. And you won't be disappointed in the fact that it does actually have quite a bit of power behind it. So I'm actually very, very, very happy with this product. So right now I'm just going to move to the next cushion and clean that up also. And like I said, it really picks up quickly. Like, it's surprising how much actually this vacuum picked up. Oops, I dropped my little pen there. Just kind of doing the same thing, going over the crevices of the conversation set, getting all the little leaves and keys that's been set inside there. I must have, when I put it away last year, not had it totally clean, so this is working to do that. As I'm going, just putting things back, you're going to see me doing a little bit more cleaning on these cushions. Some of them were worse than others, so just trying to make sure I get the parts that are the worst, I guess. There we go. Put that cushion back. Next, put the pillows. And I think that that's good. I think that conversation set's pretty clean. And I'm just taking the vacuum and I'm going to go in the crevice by the door. And there's a bunch of little stones here that kind of gather up by the door here. And we always end up dragging them in on our feet. So I thought I'd try the vacuum out here. And it really worked well doing that too, getting all the little stones and debris that kind of sticks in the little corners. Underneath the mat also. If you're looking at purchasing a powerful mini vacuum, then hit the link below and use the discount code provided. Okay guys, we're just going to wrap this up over here on the porch a little bit here, and I'm just checking to make sure I didn't miss any spots that need cleaning. I'm just adding this bicycle picture to the plant stand. Going to go ahead and use my Bissell vacuum to clean off the carpet on the porch. Trying to make sure I get underneath everything. Today was actually a really beautiful day here in Ontario, and I'm taking full advantage of it with getting outside and getting some jobs done around the house that needed getting done. So right now we headed to the garage, and I'm going to plant up my 2 planters that I put on each side of the front door on the porch. And I'm going to be using the twisted arrow spike for the middle, and I'm also going ahead and putting red and pink begonias, kind of rotating the colors as I'm going around. Also going to add this pretty pink petunia, just to give it a little bit more color, other than the begonias having just the red and pink. They're smaller flowers, so I actually wanted to add just an extra little bit of color with the petunias because they show up a little bit more than the begonias. So now we're just going to head to the back of the planter and fill that in with adding another pink begonia and another red. And next I'm going to add creeping Jenny to the side of the planter to kind of spill over the sides, give it that extra little bit of color for the summer. I like the creeping Jenny because it's so easy to grow and it works for sun and shade, and it always just turns out nice, and it really does actually really hang low, which is nice. And I'm kind of going by the method using a filler, and a spiller, and that's what I usually do to plant up my planters, keeping that in mind. And I'm just going to go ahead and add the potting soil on top to fill in any of the extra spaces that need dirt. And that's going to be about it for that. Oh, I'm going to add one more. I see one more spot that I can add another. It's always nice to make sure you fill them out really, really well. And that's it. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video today. I just want to thank you for joining me, and I want to say hopefully you hang around to see the next video, and we'll be more outside coming up. And toodaloo, see you next time.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't